Okay guys, let's mix up some just regular old cornbread. I got 2 cups of plain meal, 1/3 cup, right at 1/3 cup of self-rising flour. We're gonna put a cup of milk right now, 1 egg, a good sized spoon of baking powder, and salt. And I like my cornbread salty, guys, sorry. I don't like any plain cornbread. Okay, let's stir it up and see what consistency we have. Simple cornbread. We're not making pone bread, so we need it to be a little bit more liquidy. So let's put about another, I'm saying half a cup of milk. I want it a good pouring, when I make my pone bread, I kind of have it, I call it stiff, but it ain't really stiff. But I want a good pouring consistency this time. And this doesn't make a big old hoe cake because it's just me and Sonny and Jeff eating tonight and the babies. And the babies don't eat cornbread. Me and Sonny and Jeff do. Jeff prefers sweet cornbread, but he will eat this kind. I'm going to put just a little bit more of my... And I did put a little bit of water in my milk because I was about out. But that's okay. Doesn't hurt a thing. Okay, that's good right there. So we've got that. Now I've got my cast iron skillet, and I've got just a little bit, if you can tell, there's just a little bit of oil in there. We're just going to pour our cornbread in and put it in a 450-degree oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. But I don't even know. Just pay attention to when it browns, guys, when it browns on the top. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. And we'll come back when it's done. But that's how simple and easy you can mix up some cornbread.